In this video, you'll learn how to automate social media posts using n8n. This process will help streamline your social media management, making it easier to schedule and publish content effortlessly. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform. Open your web browser and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the n8n interface. Look for the Workflows section, typically located in the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Next, click on Workflows. This action will take you to the Workflows dashboard, where you can create and manage various automation workflows. You should see a list of your existing workflows as well as an option to create a new one. After that, locate and click on Templates within the Workflow section. This option will display a variety of pre-made templates that you can utilize for different automation tasks. The templates will help simplify the process of setting up your social media posting. Once the templates page appears, find the search bar, usually located at the top of the interface. Click on this search bar and proceed to type in social media post automation. As you type, the platform will filter the available templates to match your query. When the search results are displayed, review the templates listed, click on one that best fits your needs. This will open a detailed view of the selected template, providing an overview of its functionalities and settings. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Use for Free. This option allows you to begin using the selected template without any costs. After clicking, the system will process your request and prepare the template for your workspace. Following this, you will need to click on Import Template to Own Workspace. This action will copy the selected template into your personal workspace, making it ready for customization. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the import was successful. Once you've imported the template, you can begin customizing it to fit your specific requirements. Remember to check your internet speed, as larger templates may take slightly longer to import depending on your connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.